So you have a Brother label printer, like mine maybe, a QL700, and you just ran out of the paper inside, and you bought some replacement label paper online, but when you bought it, it didn't come with the plastic roll holder. Now, that's not a problem. I hope you didn't throw yours away or break it already trying to take it apart, because I'm going to show you exactly how to take this piece apart. This is the plastic piece without the roll on it, and you'll notice it's a little wet, and I'm going to show you why in just a second, and I'm going to teach you how to take it apart without breaking it to replace your roll. So you'll notice that the roll here is kind of wet, and I wanted to get some of the audio here and show you what it looked like wet without trying to run the water at the same time, because it's hard to hear. But this is how the roll will look after you run out of paper, except the paper of course won't be wet. And what you do is you just turn on the water, and you want to use hot water, rather warm water, and you soak the roll, and just soak it for a few minutes and then start peeling away at it as you run the water. Now this one's just falling right off because I already peeled most of it off, but it might be kind of difficult at first to get it going, but it just kind of peels away like so. Turn off the water so you can hear me. So then you just peel this off and keep peeling and peeling and peeling, getting it wet. Don't worry about getting this plastic piece wet. It is all just plastic, and it won't get damaged by getting wet or anything like that. So what you'll come up with once you roll that all off is this piece, just like so. And now I'll dry it off and I'll show you how to take it apart. Okay, so here you'll see we have the plastic piece for the printer roll, label roll, and you see we have the cardboard taken off of it, and we've dried it off, and now we'll be able to take it apart without any tools. There's another video I saw online, and the gentleman used a screwdriver to pry under this piece here and rip this piece off. And you certainly don't want to do that, because then you might break this piece where it doesn't work as good, and you may make it where it doesn't work at all, and you'll have to buy the Brother replacement printer label roll that comes with this piece already all together, and they're much more expensive, and just something to avoid. Once you get the cardboard roll off like we have here, you'll notice that this piece doesn't have to be pried, doesn't need any tools, it just slides right down just like that. Now this round piece here is connected to the cylinder. It's actually all one piece. It's not glued, it's formed as one piece. So that's the reason why you don't want to break that off, and the solution's much simpler. You just want to slide this piece here to the middle, just like we've done here, and you'll hold this side with one hand. Then this side, you'll notice there's a hole there on this cylinder, and this piece just slides and is pressed on there. Now you'll hold this side like so, and use your other hand to pry this piece off. A little bit of muscle, not too much. Now I'm doing it now with one hand, but I already removed it. It's not quite as easy as it just looked. And there you see the slot piece that goes into this slot here to hold them in the right spot. Now you'll just set this piece aside, and you'll take this piece here, and let's see, set this piece down. A little tricky with one hand here. Now this is gonna face this direction in the printer like that, so you just want to sit like so. And then when you take your replacement roll that you bought, probably on Amazon, that's about the cheapest place I found, a really good deal. I bought a box of like 24 of them or something, and a much better price than the standard Brother price from Staples. Now you just take the roll with, you can see you peel this tape off, and this is how it dispenses out. So you want to keep it just like so. And you just put the cylinder right in there. Perfect. Now on this side, you'll notice that little tiny hole here, and then on the bottom, there we go. You just spin that until that little key goes in just like that. Hold it together, and then this little piece here, the key, needs to go into that slot. So push them back together like that. Very simple, very easy. Like I said, doesn't take any tools, doesn't take any muscle. And then you just put this piece right into the printer. Take off your tape. And then you just feed it right through. But obviously not through the top. It'll go through, right through there. Sorry, I kind of did a little shady camera work there. Yeah, you just take this tape off all the way and you'll feed it through here, and then you'll hit the feed button and you can cut off the excess. But yeah, that's how you do it, and then you'll just close the top and then you'll be ready to print. Good luck. So you have a Brother label printer, like mine maybe, a QL700, and you just ran out of the paper inside, and you bought some replacement label paper online, but when you bought it, it didn't come with the plastic roll holder. Now, that's not a problem. I hope you didn't throw yours away or break it already trying to take it apart, because I'm going to show you exactly how to take this piece apart. This is the plastic piece without